Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how you can improve your mental health so you can start working to your best potential, have maximum output, and do whatever you want. If you want to make online income, if you want to make 100,000 a month, if you want to make 10,000 a month, if you want to start making millions a month, this is what you need to do. This is my daily routine to start generating online income. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is you need to do these 6 things, right? I'm going to give you 6 habits that you need to start doing today so you can really level up your mental fortitude, your mental productivity, your output, so you can start doing whatever you need to do on a daily basis. You might often find yourself right now trying to do things, but you're not able to do them. You might be trying to build a certain business, or you might be trying to foster a certain relationship with a business person, or you might be trying to do a certain work task, or do some reading, or learn something. But it is too hard for you, right? It's too hard for you. And the reason why it is too hard for you is because you haven't fixed your mental. And guys, once you fix your mental, everything gets easier. Right now, I'm really phlegmy, I'm sick, I'm cold. And this is not an excuse, I'm just apologizing because my video could be better, but I still want to give you guys this. I'm still going to perform for you guys regardless, and I'm still going to give you that value. But I'm just telling you this would be better if I wasn't sick. Anyways, so guys, these are the 6 things you need to start doing right now and watch the significance on your life, right? Number one, guys, is going to be journaling. So journaling, guys, I don't know what it is about journaling, but just writing everything down on a piece of paper. And this is not journaling like, oh, this happened today, No, I'm journaling all my thoughts, whatever wins I've had today, whatever losses I've had today, whatever has happened today, which has benefited me, and mostly I write all the negatives that have happened today. I write that down so I can concise what I did wrong today and what I need to improve tomorrow. Because journaling, guys, it puts everything out of your brain onto a paper. So those thoughts that are coming into your brain, they go off and they go onto the paper, and it organizes your brain a lot better. And guys, I didn't believe in journaling until I started doing it, and guys, it makes such a massive difference. Just writing out what you need to do, writing out a to-do list for tomorrow, that will do you wonders, guys. That will do you wonders. Number 2, guys, is going to be a habit tracker. So the point is going to be a habit tracker, but also sticking to what you do, sticking to your word. So number 2 is sticking to your word, making sure that you have discipline and you're sticking to your word. Guys, this is probably the biggest point that I'm going to make today, because if you don't have this, then none of the 6 things that I'm going to mention are going to apply. So guys, if you tell yourself tomorrow that you're going to wake up at a certain time, you're going to get certain tasks done. Like for me, example, right now, I told myself that I'm going to make a YouTube video and I have to make 3 shorts. So once I've said that, guys, I have to get it done. Because if I don't get it done, I'm going to leave a dot on my mind, a dot on my heart, a black dot. And I'm going to be telling myself I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy of success. Because every time I go back on my word, I'm breaking trust with myself. And every time I break trust with myself, guys, then I don't believe in myself as much, and my goals get pushed away. Guys, you're only on this planet, you're only on Earth for so long. You don't know when you're gonna die. Your time is limited. I saw this analogy on a video earlier, and think of it like this, bro. Life is like a casino. Imagine life was a casino, right? You're born with a certain amount of chips, right? You have chips. You're at a casino. You get a certain amount of chips. You don't know whether you're going to live to 60, you don't know whether you're going to live to 70. Say the average life expectancy is 70 to 80. If you live in Australia, you're at 25 right now. You have 35 years. Now let's go into your days, right? What do you do in your days? You go to work for 8 hours, right? So there's 24 hours in a day. You go to work for 8 hours. You sleep for 8 hours. That's 16 hours. You travel for about 2 hours. That's what? 16, 18 hours. You eat. You shit for 2 hours, that's 20 hours. You're left with 4 hours. Say for 4 hours, you go on TikTok for 1 hour, 2 hours, that's 2 hours left. Guys, if you're not organizing what you need to do and what you need to get done in a day, you're not really going to do anything. You're not going to move the needle forward. You're not going to get anything done. So the emphasis is really on getting your shit done. You really need to get everything done that you write, because your time is limited. And if you want to just not be a 9-to-5 worker, if you want to progress to somewhere in life, then you have to get done more than the average person. Because if you don't, then you're just going to stay the same. And if you want to stay the same, if you want to be average, if you want to be that person that just goes to work, comes home, chills, eats, shits, talks with your friends, goes out, smokes, whatever, that's fine. You can do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm saying this is for people with a little bit more ambition, who want to make money online, who want to live better in the future. Then this applies to them, guys. So really stick to your word. Number 3, guys, is going to be meditation. Now, meditation is one of the most beautiful things that I ever discovered. I discovered this from a YouTuber called Hamza. So I'm not talking about myself, but another YouTuber called Hamza. And he incorporated meditation into his daily routine to improve his mental health. And I did the same, guys. And guys, the benefit of meditation is amazing. It just relaxes me. It puts me into the present moment. If I have a shit ton of thoughts going on in my mind, negative thoughts, whatever it is, I meditate for 20 minutes. I made it a daily practice. I meditate 20 minutes every morning. But guys, yesterday I didn't do it. And I don't know if it's a placebo effect or it's because my subconscious is now wired to meditate. But guys, if I don't do it, and if you're a person who has a lot of bullshit going on in their brain all the time, if you think a lot, meditation will help you. So this is for my ADHD, ADD, TikTok brain people, right? So meditation will do you wonders. Number 4, guys. Number 4 is going to be exercise. Now, exercise, guys, one of the best things you can do. I've never left the gym not happy, right? There's this famous quote. You will never leave the gym not happy. You will always be happy that you went to the gym. There's not a single time you go to the gym and you'll be upset that you left. Because, guys, the gym is one of the most beautiful things, bro. What happens when you go to the gym? First of all, you get a pump, right? As a guy, you get a pump, you build your muscles, so you feel good about that, you feel better. And the biggest benefit is not the pump, guys. Yes, the pump is nice as well, but it's that mental effect that the gym has on you. Or it could be running or whatever it is for you. Guys, the serotonin release, the chemical release, that there's endorphins, the serotonin, the happy chemical release that you get just when you're sweating and you're working hard in the gym, that is unmatched. There's nothing else in this life that will give you that. So guys, train really hard. Even if it's just, you don't have to train for a long period of time. 30 minutes is all you need. 30 minutes every single day. Walk, run, burpees. The harder the exercise is, the better you'll feel. If you can do like a boxing session every couple of days and then just walk, guys, that will do you wonders. You will feel so like all that, when you go into the gym and you have all that negativity, or when you just wake up, you have all that negativity, the barrage of negativity that you have, that will be diminished once you go to the gym. It is all just wiped away. Even if you don't have negativity, just say you're just not, your state pre-gym versus post-gym is always way better because of that chemical release, the way, it's just something about the gym, guys. The gym is just a beautiful thing. So go to the gym. That will definitely make you feel a lot better. And if you feel a lot better, you'll be able to work better, you'll be able to make more money, you'll be able to foster better relationships, you'll be able to get a spouse, get a wife, get a car, whatever you want to do, right? It all relates, bro. I know it's so simple, but this all relates. It's so simple, guys, but it all relates, but people still can't do it. So number 4 is going to be exercise. Number 5, guys, is going to be socialize. Now, when you go to the gym, you can just combine these two and socialize with as many people as you can over there. But I'm talking about socializing with not just at the gym, but going out with your friends once a week, right? If you're trying to make money, if you're on that monk mode period, I don't think it's essential to just lock yourself indoors all the time, especially if you're a person that is not as social, because then you need that social release. So guys, just go out once a week, socialize with your friends. But there's just something about just socializing with the boys, just going out with the boys, kicking back, hanging out. It's unmatched, bro. It's unmatched. You just sit there, you talk your shit, you're just releasing all this bullshit. You talk about life, you just talk about problems, you talk about whatever it is, right? You talk about bullshit. You just chat shit, you just joke around. Whatever you need to do, you get it out there, and you come home and you just feel better. You're in an elevated state. So guys, socializing will do you wonders as well. So socialize with your loved ones, with your friends, with your family. That will also benefit you tremendously. Okay, last one, guys, is going to be waking up early. If you can start waking up early, if your job allows you to wake up early, guys, something about just waking up early in the morning is unmatched, bro. The amount of peace that you have in the morning, just waking up with the daylight, going out and just literally just looking at the sun, looking at the light, getting that light into your eyes, It's going to help you sleep better. It's going to make you more relaxed. It's praying Fajr in the morning as well. Guys, these things will literally make such a massive difference, bro. Even in our religion, it says, in most religions, it says, the night is for sleep, and the day is to be awake. I know that sounds so simple, but people don't follow that these days. The sleep is for nights, the night is for sleep, and the day is to be awake. That's how it's been made. That's how we've been made. Ideally, Isha prayer is around 7:30, 8 o'clock. Sorry if I'm wrong. That is when you should go. After Isha prayer, there should be no reason for you to be awake. You should, shortly after that, you should fall asleep. So a little bit after sunrise, guys, is ideally when you're, as a human, biologically, you're programmed to sleep at that time. So ideally, that's what you should follow. Guys, sleeping early and waking up early, getting a good sleep will have the most massive effect on your productivity. And you sleeping from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. is not the same as you sleeping from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can test it out for yourself, but when you sleep from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and you wake up, bro, you feel like a brand new person. Personal experience, maybe it's not the same for you, but guys, the amount of joy that I feel just waking up early in the morning is unmatched, bro. It's unmatched. So guys, sleep early, wake up early, that will have a massive effect. Guys, there's also one more thing that I forgot to mention, which is prayer. So guys, incorporate prayer into your life as well. That faith, that release of just being closer to God, just being closer with your Creator, just having that extra sense of confidence, knowing that there's God who's gonna protect you throughout. And guys, not only that, I remember He accepts things that you ask for. I remember literally, I think it was yesterday or the day before. It was literally the day before. I asked God for something. It was a certain thing, and it's not an easy thing to get. I asked Him for that certain thing. And literally, no joke, I promise you, I'm not joking. Wallahi. The next day, He gave me that thing. And I feel like if you're closer to God, if you're a good person, if you're living your life by God, truly to God, He will favor you because you're working hard, you're doing everything that He wants you to do, and He will favor you, and the universe will give you what you want. But if you're the opposite and you pull God away from your life, etc., then He will not favor you and He will not do the things that you ask for. But guys, praying as well, number 6, praying will make a massive difference to your mental health. And you can ask for whatever you want, bro, because whatever you ask for, whatever you put out into the universe, whatever you put out into this world, into this dunya, God will give you that. I can guarantee you that. If you ask for it, God will give it to you. He might not give it to you now, He might give it to you in 5 years, 10 years, but eventually, if your intentions are good, if you're a good person, if you truly live your life by God, then He will give you anything that you ask for, guys. He will give you anything that you ask for. And guys, another bonus one, cut out all your bad habits. You shouldn't be doing bad habits anyway. Your life is limited. I told you about the casino analogy. Your life is limited, bro. How much time do you want to waste? I'm 26 now, bro. In 10 years are going to come like this, bro. I'm going to be 36 in 1 second. You have to use these years, guys. Your time is limited. I don't know if I'm going to die tomorrow and die today. But before you leave, you need to impact the world. You need to leave. You need to create some sort of an impact. You need to provide value to the world. Everyone has a different set of purpose, a different set of values that they can bring to the world. So guys, find yours and bring it to the world. And the only way you can bring it to the world if your mental is good and you can work hard every single day to provide that to the world. If you don't have that mental health, if you don't have that mental well-being, then it's going to be very, very hard for you to actually produce that and give that to the world, guys. So make sure you are really prioritizing these 6 things. So 1 is going to be journaling. Number 2, meditation. Number 3, prayer. Number 4 is going to be exercise. Number 5, guys, is going to be socializing. And number 6, guys, is going to be waking up early. And the bonus one that I gave you is cutting out all bad habits. Any of your bad habits, please cut it out, because I can guarantee you, if you don't have any bad habits and you're not escaping all the time, these things will bring you back in check, and these will be it's not even escape, but it sort of is. Like meditation is you're still doing something, but it's going to give you a positive effect in return, just like exercise. If you instead of smoking, if you just started exercising, or instead of smoking, you started chewing gum, that will have a positive impact on your life, and it'll be a double win. First of all, you're quitting the bad thing, and secondly, you're adding a good thing. So guys, I hope that helps. Just get 1% better every day. And guys, I can guarantee you, once you start doing this, you will start earning more money. You will start fostering any relationship with you that you want, any girl that you want, any car that you want, any house that you want, whatever it is that you want, guys. If you truly stick to this on a consistent basis, you list out your daily habits, your daily tasks, your daily to-do list, whatever you need to get done on a daily basis, and you do that, you stick to your word. Don't go back on your word, bro. Because once you go back on your word, you will not be mentally good. You will be upset. You'll be angry. You'll be frustrated that you've stuffed up, and that is in turn going to ruin your mental health. So set challenges, complete your challenges. That will really help with your mental health as well. So guys, that is the video. I hope that helps. If that helps, please drop a like, please drop a comment, and tell me what you guys do for your mental health. Is there something that you do for your mental health that makes you generate more money online, helps you with your productivity, your mental clarity? If there is, please list it down below, guys. And that is the video. Thank you.